Hello, this is IP67 industrial panel socket. I would like to go into the detail of it. The gear-shaped sockets increase the friction and prevents slipping. Buckle locking design. Detailed labeling of product parameters. Made in ANEN, made in China. Especially you can see this one. Double screw fixation. Pure copper core. High conductivity and it's easy to install. Okay. About the backside, also the double screw fixation. This is the industrial plug and sockets, 125 ampere. If you would like to know much more about this, please contact us anytime.